Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a polygonal puzzle. I'm trying to guess a word, and where the shape of the top is repeated, the letter is repeated. So that might be a double L, for example. I was thinking of all something, but I really don't know what that word could be. I suppose assess or assignment is a more common start to a word. But then what would this be? I suppose it could be I, because it could be addition instead of S's being there. Let's try it and see what it gives us. Oh, not a lot is the answer. So we've ruled out lots of letters, but we haven't ruled in a lot so far. I suppose it could be O's there. That's quite a common start to a word, I guess. Boot something, or tool something. But it might be a compound word if that's the case, which is always a lot more difficult. It says at the bottom, today's puzzle is brought to you by Wordle, which is another word game that you can see on the channel, so keep an eye out for that. But I don't know exactly what that means. I haven't tried today's Wordle. I've loaded the page and it just looked like a normal Wordle puzzle, so I'm not quite sure how I can use that clue, if indeed it is even a clue. So I'm going to have to go back to just trying to work out what this word is. I'm thinking that these are O's, but of course it could be something like opposite or opponent. The first and fourth letters are different, so it can't be either of those words, but that's the sort of thing that I'm thinking of. Right, if that's a T, it's probably going to be tool something, isn't it? Which would mean there has to be an L there. I'm not sure I like the look of this. On the other hand, if that is a T and that is a T, bootstrap almost fits, but of course it's just a little bit too long. I really don't know. I just really don't know, basically. If those are T's, then we would probably have to put a vowel in front, which could only be O, E or U. I don't really think any of those are particularly likely, so I am definitely thinking that it's a vowel in second and third, and I am definitely liking the look of the O being there. It can't be something side. This is a consonant, which means this is a consonant, so if it is a compound word, then this is potentially just an S. Because that really looks like it should be a word, something like toadstool, but obviously not quite toadstool. But then what would the ending be? We would have to use a vowel somewhere. Tool sled. Don't think that's particularly likely, so maybe that's a vowel instead. But I really don't like the look of that either. I think it might be one of those where I just have to go for something that I know is not correct, just to get some more information. So I have to use the O and the T. But other than that, I can use basically any letters I like. So I really want to find out if there's an O second or third, so let's put the O there. Let's just try computer actually. Oh, we've got a TE, so it is a duplicated O. The T's do go there and the E is there. Footstep. So it was a compound word after all, I just didn't think of foot as the starting half. That's a little bit frustrating because I might have got that in too if I'd thought about it for another half an hour, but obviously I didn't want to make the video ridiculously long. So that is Polygonle in 3. I'm still not quite sure I understand what the link to the Wordle puzzle is. Maybe it's because 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, you sort of going up in footsteps. Anyway, as I said, there are Wordle puzzles on the channel, so keep an eye out for those. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you want more of these. That is Polygonle. Thank you for watching and bye for now.